We are in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And when you walk in your door, directly to the right, you have a large coat closet. Then we walk down the hallway here, and you have your utility closet on the right, and then your kitchen over here. So you have this great island, and it overlooks your living space, which is super nice. So lots of extra counter space. And then over here, you have a kitchen pantry. Some extra storage there. Like I said, lots of cabinet space and counter space in here. And the best part is you can overlook your living space. So definitely an open concept floor plan. And you have enough space for sure to have a kitchen table in here if you'd like. And then this does have a little step down here. So then this is the main living space in here. And this one does have a terrace. So if you take a look there. Nice fall trees, and then we'll take a look so you can see the whole living space here. All right, and let's go check out the bedrooms. So this one is on the left-hand side. So you walk in and you have your mirrored closet here. And then a really good amount of space in this bedroom. And this one does have the bathroom attached as well. So here's your bathroom. You just have a newly resurfaced countertop and really nice flooring in here. And the glass shower doors. All right, let's check out. Here's your guest bathroom. So same kind of layout. This one does have a little bit more counter space, and the toilet is separated a little bit. And the really nice flooring in there as well. And then here's the second bedroom. Lots of space, so definitely any size furniture can fit. And then here's your closet over here. A lot of good space, so double doors there. Let's check out the living area one more time from a different angle.